Today I will show you how to make your first bash script on a Kali Linux. So first of all I will show you how to it look like. So we need to find its file, this one. This is the work of the script. It's our name and we are from Shire. So this was it. Write to us, welcome outlaw from Shire to International Hackers Competition. We wish you luck and all the best. So, here we go. Open our terminal. I work with a leafpad. You can simple text editor. So with leafpad, here we go. This to understand for our system working with bash. Here is our command. This is my first bash script. So here is echo and double quotes. This required inside quotes when you work with echo. So our question, what is your name? This is the command, read name. This is the second echo, double quotes. Where are you from? So echo, here double quotes, and we write our text. Welcome with $sign name from country to International Hackers Competition. We wish you good luck and all the best. So this is our variable, the name, our variable, the country, our variable, and here is the same name variable, and sorry I forget, read country. So Control S, we save it like a hackers file. Our system, save it. So then LSA. So we save a file, but we need to give it execute permission. So to give it execute permission for user, for owner, and for group, we need to command chmod 755 and name of our file. So LSL, then you can see, now you can see our file is another one, color, and it have execute permission. So then we need to call our file, our new script. So clear, and here we go. Hackers file, outlaw Shire. Welcome outlaw from Shire to International Hackers Competition. Thank you for watching. Send me likes and comments below. Wish you good luck.